In 2024, the landscape of keyword research and SEO is significantly influenced by the evolution of search engine algorithms and the increasing role of AI in content creation. Here are some key trends and basics to consider. First-hand experience and authenticity. Content that showcases first-hand experience is increasingly important. Google's E.A.T guidelines emphasize the value of content created from personal, real-world experiences, making it stand out from AI-generated content. This authenticity and depth in content align with what users and search engines prioritize. Author, entities, and credibility. Establishing authors as experts in their fields enhances the credibility of content. In a world where AI-generated content is prevalent, content linked to recognized authors with relevant experience gains additional trust and authority. Creating detailed author pages and encouraging experts to contribute regularly can be beneficial. Adapting to Search Generative Experience, SGE. Google's AI-powered SERP snippets, known as SGE, provide quick summaries of complex queries, but still direct users to top-ranking content for detailed information. Therefore, continue focusing on creating reputable, value-driven content that satisfies user intent and provides real experiences. Answering questions and targeting keywords. Answering questions is still a great way to rank on the first page of results. Look for questions in the People Also Ask feature on SERPs, or use keyword tools to identify related question keywords. Incorporating these questions and answers into your content through FAQ sections or detailed blog posts can be effective. Building. Topical authority. Establishing authority in specific topics or niches is crucial. This can be achieved through a combination of content breadth and depth, exploring all related subtopics in detail. High-quality backlinks and internal linking between relevant content pieces also play a significant role in showcasing topical authority, leveraging AI in content creation. While AI content generation is on the rise, it's essential to use AI as a starting point, not the end. The most effective content creators will use AI to accelerate the writing process, while ensuring the content meets search intent, showcases experience, and provides valuable information to users. In essence, the key to successful SEO and keyword research in 2024 lies in blending first-hand experiences, establishing author credibility, adapting to new search features like SGE, focusing on answering user queries, building topical authority, and smartly integrating AI in the content creation process. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this content helpful, and leave a comment with any topics you'd like us to cover on the channel. Your feedback is valuable in guiding our future content.